See, law of attraction in three words is thoughts become things. If you ponder upon glorious Quran, it says, and that there is not for man except that for which he strives. Now, these are the words of the creator of the heavens and the earth, the one who has made every law of this universe, that you will get that for which you make great, sincere, honest efforts to achieve. You put in your energy for any accomplished task. Thought is the first step, action comes afterwards. There cannot be a task performed without a thought at the first place. Also, it is mentioned in the glorious Quran in chapter 14, verse 7, that if you are grateful, I'll certainly give you more. When you are positive, you are grateful for what you have. You see the positive aspect of everything. You see the glass half filled and are grateful for it. These positive feelings attract positive things around you. It brings positive people in your life. And when you have that positive energy with a positive mindset, the law of attraction comes into play. You strive towards your goal and you achieve it ultimately, as Allah promises. So stay positive, go for it.